Hello there, this is workshop 6 of APS 145ZAA, presented by Lovepreet Singh, member 6 of group 2. Painting is the way which can completely change the way our home looks like. For example, you can see a picture of unpainted room and a painted room, and you can very well see that both the pictures have very big difference in the appearance and attractiveness. Now, the problem arises in calculation of amount of paint required to paint the given area and also the expenses of the very same paint. We often end up in spending more money by buying excessive paint cans and also which leads to the wastage of resources. And by the collective teamwork, we are bringing you a solution which is a paint estimator. Allow me to go into the details to tell you how the painting is done and what are the two types of course we use in painting. Introducing first the base paints. It's generally referred to as the first layer of the paint to be coated on the wall which soaks into the wall. The main purpose of using the base coat is that it helps in binding the finishing coat which is to be done later on that very same wall. From our estimate, it is suggested that two base coats on the wall provides the best results. Also, it has a coverage of 12 meters square and the cost of one can of base paint can cost up to $40.75. Going on to the second one, that is finishing paints. It is the final selected color to be painted to our walls and is probably more expensive. It has coverage of 15 meters square and its one paint can cost up to $47.75. Now, it's time for a general advice to you. If two coats of base paints were used, one coat of finishing paint is sufficient on the wall. If one coat of base paint was used, two coats of finishing paint is preferred. If no base paint was used, three coats of finishing paint is suggested. At the end, it's all your call. What matters? No worries, we will help you get through this. All you need to do is to collect the dimensions of the area you want to paint, like the length, breadth and height. So the solution to the problem is given by using paint estimator. So the question arises, and even a normal person will think, why do we use paint estimator? Because it helps in managing the amount of paint required for the given area which is to be painted, and also it helps in estimation of expenses of cans and the total expenditure that is to be done on painting the very same wall, which is before and after the taxes. So if you use our solution, the the natural resources will be saved and also your money will also be saved, and you all very well know a penny saved is a penny earned. Thank you very much.